Straight to the point. So 50, 30, 20 rule. Have you ever heard of that? If not, this is the video for you. What is that? A simple way of budgeting your money, a simple way of tracking your expenses. Okay, guys, so I'm going to break down for you in very simple way. These are just simple way for a beginner, and even if you're not a beginner, please watch and let's remind ourselves, let's keep track, let's not lose focus. Right, so 50, what is in the 50%? These are needs, and this includes things like mortgage, rent, groceries, all right, transportation. These are in 50%, which are needs. Then in 30%, wants. This, wants, things that you can do without. Yes, so wants are things like vacation, traveling. Okay, traveling, entertaining yourself. If you want to go to a restaurant, you want to go to a Starbucks, you want to go to a KFC, you want just to go out, have something, this is in the 30%, which is in wants. Then the last category, 20%, these are savings. Ensure your 20% goes to this category. So saving account, retirement, emergencies, these fall under the 20%. Guys, this is as simple as that. You have any question? Do you have any concern? Do you have anything to add on this video? Please leave in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you in my next one. Thank you.